Hi guys, I wanted to share some of my low effort meals that I've been making for weight loss. These are basically some of my go-tos lately when I don't want to spend forever cooking or thinking about what I'm going to eat. These are extremely easy to make. Starting with this first recipe. Alright, so all of the recipes are going to be listed in the description below. But with this first recipe, it is a no sugar peanut butter banana bake recipe. So it's a mashed up 1 banana, crack in an egg, 1 ounce of oats, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 ounce of almond butter or peanut butter. I like almond butter so much better. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You bake it in a small cute little loaf pan. I got these on Amazon. You bake it for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees. You can bake it for longer if you find that the center is like a little mushy. The second recipe I'm sharing, it's because the combination just tastes so elite and it keeps me full for so long, which is why I think it's so good for weight loss. I'll link below where I got these like shredded wheats. But one thing I do want to mention while making these meals is something that I've realized throughout my own weight loss journey, that knowing what to eat is only one piece of the puzzle. I think I used to approach nutrition in a really one-size-fits-all way, when in reality, learning how to eat in a way that works for your specific body matters so much. And that's actually why I started using Nourish and why I'm partnering with them for today's video. Nourish connects you one-on-one with a registered dietitian, and what I really like is that the advice is actually personalized to you. So instead of trying to piece together nutrition advice from a million different places online, you have someone who can look for your individual goals, your eating habits, and your health and help you figure out what makes sense for you. For me, one of the biggest things I've been trying to implement is making eating well feel easier and more realistic in my everyday life, which is honestly why meals like the ones in this video have become such staples for me. And you can use the Nourish app between appointments to log your meals, message your registered dietitian, find recipes and meal inspiration, and keep everything in one place. Something else I think is really cool is that your registered dietitian can actually order labs and blood work and then walk you through the results with you, so your nutrition care can take your actual health into account too. Nourish also has a no surprise billing guarantee, meaning your appointment will never cost more than your initial estimate, and 94% of Nourish patients pay $0 out of pocket. So if you have your own health or nutrition goals and you want to personalize support figuring out what works best for you, you can check out Nourish using my link at the very top of the description. And thank you to Nourish for partnering with me on this video. So lately I've really been into canned fish. They're just so high in protein and they're just so quick to make. So these last 2 recipes are inspired by canned fish. The first one was tuna. The second one is pink salmon. And with this last dish, you're just gonna pour a hot sauce. Pick any hot sauce you want. I feel very blessed. My mom's friend made this like really good Sichuan hot sauce, and then I pour in a little soy sauce, and then I add some avocado, kimchi, wrap it up in a seaweed. Once again, the flavor just explodes in your mouth. It is so good, and it is yet again another meal that keeps me full. I've been trying to find meals that have a lot of fiber and protein and some carbs so that it will keep me full for a long time. I realized that this is a very good hack for weight loss. And these are some of my low effort meals recently. If you guys end up trying any of these recipes, let me know how it tastes in the comments below. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye!